Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to reset Photoshop preferences to factory defaults safely on Windows. This clean reset wipes away corrupted workspace configurations, tool glitches, and broken performance rules inside Adobe Photoshop without losing your valuable custom presets. First, if Photoshop is currently open, click the Edit menu at the very top left of the application interface. Hover over Preferences near the bottom of the drop-down menu and click General from the flyout menu to launch the core settings block. Look at the right-hand side of the main General Preferences window. Find the button explicitly labeled Reset Preferences on Quit and click it. A warning dialog box will pop up asking if you are sure you want to reset preferences when you quit Photoshop. Click OK to confirm the rule assignment. Now, click OK in the top right corner of the main Preferences window to close the configuration panel layout. Go to the top left corner, click the File menu, and click Exit at the very bottom to close the software. The application will automatically wipe the old configuration files upon closing. If a severe bug is preventing you from opening the app to access that menu, press and hold Ctrl, Alt, and Shift simultaneously on your keyboard. Keep holding those three keys down and double-click the Photoshop app icon to force boot it into safe recovery mode. A prompt window will instantly pop up explicitly asking, "Delete the Adobe Photoshop settings file?" Click Yes to instantly replace corrupt data structures with fresh factory parameters. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.